Hello, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set up an AI voice assistant on Vapi. So, here's an overview of Vapi's dashboard. So, if I'm going to create a new assistant, I go into Platform, Assistants. I've already got some assistants built up, but we're going to create one from scratch. So, I click on Create Assistant. They give us some templates. Everything I've built is from a blank template, but I'm a little more advanced than someone starting out. We're going to go with an appointment setter for a dental practice. Go Create Assistant. And then that takes me to the Create Assistant page, basically. Alright, so I'm going to select they've pre-configured some basics for us. So the first message, it says, this being for a dental practice, the AI will greet callers by saying, "Hello, this is Mary from Mary's Dental." But I'll demonstrate that later. We've got a system prompt, which is basically the instructions telling the AI what its role is. So you can think of a prompt like the script and the AI as an actor. So the prompt is basically telling the actor what character it's playing. Alright, we're just gonna leave this free template in use and see what happens. Alright, so by default it uses ChatGPT 3.5. It's a good enough model, but it's not nearly as smart as GPT-4. So that's what we're going to use. Alright, so we've got the instructions and a first message set up. Next, we're going to choose the transcriber. So when you speak, a transcriber basically converts the word you speak into text. And then that text, it gets translated to the large language model. In our case, ChatGPT 4.0. So the default options are really solid. We're going to stick with those. I'm clicking the publish button to make sure that I save what I've done so far. Now we're going to go to the voice. There's quite a few providers. Oh yeah, before I forget, Vapi is very transparent about the cost it's going to have, or the projected cost. So they have a 5 cent a minute fixed cost. The transcriber, which we're using DeepGram, is a penny a minute. Now, this one's a little different. So the projection for the large language model is just an estimate, but it varies based on it varies with the size of the prompt you're giving it. So it's anticipating a certain size of data being input and output, and it's estimating a little under 2 cents a minute. It could be, the actual usage could be more, it could be less. And then the part we were just working on, choosing the voice. So the default option costs a little over 7 cents a minute. I'm going to pick one that I like from Azure. It's a little faster, not quite as good as 11 Labs, but what can I say? I'm cheap. When I'm doing a demo, I'm going to use Ava. Save that. So there's a host of options on how to configure how the AI responds. So I'm going to leave this off, but a really cool feature called back channeling allows the AI to basically interject fillers such as yeah, huh, to make the conversation sound a little more natural. And there's also a background denoising feature. I'm going to leave these off for now. Okay. And we have the ability to add advanced functions like integrating a calendar. If you're building an appointment setter, which we are here, you would integrate your Google Calendar, cal.com, or whatever you're using. Now that's up to you on how to configure it. I'm not going to be covering that in this video. And we have advanced features finally. Okay. So we have a HIPAA compliance option. So for something medically related, technically this is a medical booking. There's not necessarily any sensitive information being stored, but just to be on the safe side, we want to turn recording off. So what the HIPAA compliance does is it doesn't allow audio to be recorded because of privacy laws. Now, we can have the same effect by just turning recording off, but if you're building something and you forget and you turn HIPAA compliance on, it automatically turns the recording on. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave HIPAA compliance on. Alright, and these are advanced features we're not going to be covering. Go ahead and save everything. And now I'm going to have to stop this recording and quickly segue to another recording. Okay, so my microphone didn't work from the demo that we just built. I'm calling it manually on my phone.
This is Mary from Mary's Dental. How can I assist you today?
Hi Mary, I need to get my teeth cleaned.
Hey there. We can definitely make those teeth sparkle. What's your full name?
John Wick.
Awesome, John. So, just a routine cleaning, right? When would you like to come in?
Tomorrow, Tuesday, the 25th at 9 a.m.
Alright, Tuesday the 25th at 9 a.m. Let's make it happen. Just to confirm. That's for a teeth cleaning, right?
You know it.
Sweet. You're all set, John. We'll see you on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Don't forget to floss.
I won't. Thank you.